Hello everyone, my name is Hitesh and I welcome you all to our TradeBrains YouTube channel. Now if you're new to this channel, please comment, like and subscribe to our videos, and please don't forget to press the bell icon to receive notification on our further videos. Now through this video, we're talking about a very interesting topic which is common to every investor or trader and which is a very important or golden rule of trading. I'm talking about the concept of stop losses. Now, when I say stop losses, what is stop loss? Stop loss is a point beyond which you don't want to lose more money on your investment or your trading amount. Say, supposedly, if I have rupees 100 to invest and I don't want to lose more than rupees 10 on it, so I put a stop loss at 90. So basically, as and when my investment value reaches rupees 90, I exit all the positions which are there in the market. Now through this video, I'll be teaching you the concept of putting a stop losses on the trades which you have taken in the market. Now before learning how to put a stop loss, let me first trade or execute a trade in the market. What I'll do, I'll just buy one share of any company. Say for example, I'll buy a share of say Punjab National Bank. I buy one share of it at the market price, which is 36.65. I click on the buy order. So right now I have my position is I have one lot of Punjab National Bank in my trading account. Now we need to understand how do I put stop losses in this. Now before getting into the concept of stop losses, if you're someone who is willing to understand the concept of candlesticks, so TradeBrains is giving out free book to people who are willing to learn the concept of candlesticks. You just have to enter on the link which is mentioned in the description, and I'll be mentioning the same link on the screen also. You just click on that link and you get to download the free ebook on the candlestick concepts. Now coming back to our concept of stop losses, I have right now say one lot of Punjab National Bank with me and I want to put a stop loss for the same. Now how do you define a stop loss? A stop loss is basically defined as a point beyond which you don't want to lose more money on your investment. And so in this case, how do I put a stop loss here? I simply go here and I click on the tab of exit. It gives out me two icons for stop losses, that is stop loss and the stop loss M. The stop loss M is the stop loss market and that the other one is a regular stop loss. So how does a regular stop loss work? You just mention the price at which you want to exit here. Supposedly I want to put a stop loss, say as and when the price comes to 35, I want to exit the position. So and my trigger price also is 35. So I put this order on the market and you can see that on your order book. Now how do I see whether my stop loss put or not? You simply go to order book. The status is trigger pending. I put the price at which I want to exit the trade in case it comes down, that is 35 here. So as and when the market will go to 35, it will put a exit order on the market and it will exit at the price 35 for me. So that is the way to use a limit stop loss. Now I'll explain you the next concept, that is the concept of market stop loss. Now how does that work? First we'll cancel this order from the market. Again I go to my positions, that is I have one lot of Punjab National Bank and I'm saying that I don't want to be holding this position just in case the market goes below 35. So I put a market stop loss. So how is market stop loss different from limit stop loss? In limit stop loss, you specify the price at which you want to exit. Supposedly you want to exit at 35 only. So market comes down and it doesn't trade the price 35. It directly comes down from say 35.20 to 34.80. So the one seller bought all the prices and there's no more lots left in the market. So what it will do, it will leave a hanging order in the market at 35. So as and when the market will come back to 35, it will exit the position from the market. But in market stop loss, what happens is if I supposedly mention the trigger price at 35. So as and when the market breaches 35, it will just hit the market. The price at which it could hit the market could be 35 or it could be below 35. So that is one advantage that with market stop loss is that you are rest assured that the order will be exited from the market. But in limit stop loss, if the market doesn't come back to 35, you could be having a hanging order in the market. Those are two basic differences between a market stop loss and a limit stop loss. So how do I do that? I simply put a stop loss on the market and I say the trigger price 35 and I place an order in the market. Now if you go to order book, you see the trigger pending in the market. That is as and when the market will reach to 35, it will exit position from the market. So another way to exit an order in the market is simply by you just go on the market order again, exit, and you put specify market. So what it will do is if you don't change the trigger price, it will just exit at the current price. If you change the trigger price, it will exit at that price. As and when the market comes to 34 is when it will exit in the market. But if I put supposedly a limit price, that is I choose the current price right now. So it just will directly hit at 36.70 is the current price. So I'm just choosing and which is the current price of Punjab National Bank. So if I place this order in the market, it will directly hit in the market. You see on the status here, sell of that order is complete. So I've exited that position from the market at the market by hitting the stop loss on the market. So those are the two basic kind of stop losses. That's the stop loss limit and the stop loss market. I hope we have a clear understanding on that, and thank you for viewing this video, and we'll be continuing on giving our financial education in the videos to come. Thank you so much.